Hey, what's up, guys? Gary Ejene here. We're going to go over surf graphics, okay? For those of you who don't know what surf graphics is, graphics that have to do with surfing. It's just that simple. I used to work in the industry for a long time, and I used to do surf graphics amongst many other graphics, and it's really a lot of fun. I really like this niche or this genre of graphic. This is a little bit of racing in here, but this is mostly surfing. So I'm just showing you what they look like. And it's so funny. It's a basic theme: palm trees, water, surfing, sometimes some type of car, like the surf wagons and VW wagons, surfboards. Really simple, like the VW buses, palm trees. Really simple stuff. People surfing, stormtroopers surfing, and you're gonna see that it's really simple but looks good. So right here, I'm gonna have a play on this one. All right, so let's go over to our design brief. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go in real quick and see. The great thing about a surf graphic is that now this is something that you can do yourself for you guys who are artistically inclined. But for you guys who are artistically challenged, you can use a source called DesignCrowd. All right. So let's get into this, right? Let's break down the anatomy of a surf graphic. Okay. Now, first things first, we have this graphic, and we're gonna make a play on this. See, this is the thing about t-shirts is that t-shirt designs have been around a very long time, so you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can take something that's already done and do your version of it. You're gonna see that's gonna be totally different, but yet still feel in the same genre. Okay, so you have wind surfing right here. All right, so we're gonna place the wind with California. Let's put that NER, California, and surfing, California surfing. How about that? And underneath, we're gonna replace the actual windsurfer with this bus right here. Now, the great thing about this bus is that sometimes when you're out here and you're using artwork, you don't know where these people are getting this artwork from. So let me show you something. I have something called the T-shirt elements, and in the T-shirt elements, there are all these vehicles. All right, all these vehicles that you can use. So this one is, I believe it's this bus is one of these buses that I used in the graphic. So let's go back, and I have it right here. Okay, and I also have surf and sports stuff. So you can look right here. Look at all these surfers, and it's like surf and skate and biking. So I took these two surfboards, all right, and I add them right here, and I just took them and I put them just like that on the side of the little van over here. So I told them to replace the windsurfer with this van. Okay, then I tell them to add, see these palm trees? Okay, I also have in the t-shirt elements palm trees. So I took these trees right here, and I put them right here, and I'm telling them to take these trees, add these palm trees on both sides. And where it says Surf Co., I want them to write water sport, okay? And on the bottom where it says Surfers Paradise, I want them to write West Coast, okay? And put it in this banner, all right? And we also have banners in the t-shirt elements. I'm just doing this so I don't know where they get their stuff from. I'm just doing this so this is all copyright free stuff, so I don't have any problems. You understand what I'm saying? And that's it. And right here, I do tell them for this to use the Billy Ohio font, and I'm going to save that for them. And just like that, Okay, I am going to, I pretty much know what I want, and that's the key, to always know what you want. So when you give it in to a designer, any graphic designer you use for any service that you use, you tell them exactly what you want. When you tell people exactly what you want, you very much more often than not get something that looks like what you want, as opposed to something you're like, oh dude, change this, change that. All right, so let's go over to DesignCrowd. Okay, we're in DesignCrowd, so let's get it popping. Let's do this real quick. Get started now. T-shirt design. So we're gonna go right here to name your project. Surf t-shirt design. And then we have task description. Please see design brief. All right, and we go right here and we click, and I save that design brief as a PDF. And also, just to let you know, this right here is a place where I go to get my fonts. It's called dafont.com, DAFONT.com. All right, and the font that we're going to use is called Billy, Ohio. Search. You go right here and you can download that bad boy. I've already downloaded it, and we just click right here. Billy, Ohio. Actually, there's 2 versions of it. Choose. Let's continue. All right, we are going to go right here to just $79. And I'm going to add a little stank on it, so we can get that bad boy in 3 days. And I'm going to continue. You just go right here to pay and make it happen, Captain. So let's come back, and in 3 days, let's get it popping. All right, let's go. See you in a minute. And we are back. So let's get up in here. Let's get on up in here, right? And let's go to my account and my projects. Bam. And let's go to Surf Design Tee. Look at here, man. We got 36 designs. Wow. Let's go. Let's see what we got. All right, guys. Now, this is the deal. If we're going to click on one of these, man, and let me just ask you, do you think you could have made this? I mean, now I could, but I've been a graphic designer for years. Could you have created this? Because if you have to think about it, then you're one of those people that may need to hire a designer, and there's no shame in that. But if you can, then, make it happen. But what happens is, a lot of times people, they get this, they ego, man, I could do that. And it's like, you know what? Maybe you can't, you know what I'm saying? And the great thing is that I was the art director. I told them exactly what to do. So let's go through these. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Now, the great thing is that I wanted the palm tree on both sides, but I like what he did, because I actually only think we need one palm tree, but it's all good. Look at this guy. He actually put it on like a surfer dude. Look at that. I mean, these people, he used a different, wow, this guy's used different artwork. Okay. He really went all out. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I mean, look at this. These are classic t-shirts. And the great thing, I told them the font and I gave them all the artwork. So everything is cool. You see what I'm saying? Look, we're just going to keep. Now, I don't know what this person was thinking, but hey, things happen. Look at this. Windsurfing. I gave specific instructions, but this is the great thing about it. You get so much. Oh, look at this. They put a back graphic on. This is awesome right here. I actually kind of like it without. See, this is a great thing. I actually kind of like it without the palm trees. But one palm tree would have been, good. Sometimes people are using their own. You did 2 different colors. So look at what you get, guys. Look at what you get. You see what I'm saying here? And that's it. All right. So that is the introduction to, oh, what's this? Did I see this one? I didn't see that one. That's cool too. You know, some people took their own creative license, and that's cool too. You know, you can always get another one of the graphics. But look at what we have here. This is very much kind of awesome. So I just wanted to show you guys not only, you know, DesignCrowd, but also the anatomy of doing a really cool surf graphic, man. And these things sell like hotcakes. So that's it. Have a good time, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell so you hit that notification bell so you know of all the good stuff. And guys, remember, do something good for somebody. And if you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. All right? God bless you. Remember, cheers to your t-shirts. Start a t-shirt business or die trying. Until next time, I am out.